Hey, what's up, guys? Back with another video. I'm upgrading it. I'm upgrading the handlebars right now. Just spray painting them. Here's my bike I was taking apart. Man, it's not looking too good. Here's the handlebars. If you see closely, there's the things. I didn't take the seat off yet, but I'm going to have to. So that's going. That's getting fixed. That's getting fixed. It's damn snowing, man. What the heck, snow? And also, B-Dog, I'm not going to school today. If you don't know who B-Dog is, it's Brian 17. So that's happening. So, see you.